All right, so this is part 3, the last part of our video. And so I'm going to pick back up on the last question that we were working with. So once again, it says at Pizza Pie, 20% of the pizzas made last week had extra cheese. So not all of the pizzas had extra cheese. So if 40 pizzas had extra cheese, how many pizzas were made in all were made last week? So what is my part? 40. Because once again, not every pizza has extra cheese because you might want pepperonis, but this person might want extra cheese. So not everybody has extra cheese on their pizza. That's kind of how I talk myself through problems. What is my whole? I don't know my whole because in the problem it says how many pizzas in all. So my total were made last week. And then what is my percent? 20%. Because remember, once again, every time I see a percent sign, I know that I know my percent in the question. So now I am going to use 20% over 100 because percent is always out of 100. And then I'm going to divide.
Good morning, staff members. Pardon this interruption. New staff members, if you have not.
All right, so then I'm going to divide both of them by 20. So, because that's my greatest common factor. So 20 divided by 20 is 1, and 100 divided by 20 is 5. So that means I have 5 pieces using my denominator. It lets me know I have 5 pieces in my strip diagram. And I know that each piece is equal to 20% because my simplest fraction was 1/5. So I have 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. Because 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 20 is 60, 60 plus 20 is 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. Now I need to start my fraction. I have 0/5, which is equals to 0. Then I have 1/5, which is equivalent to 20%. 2/5, which is equivalent to 40%. 3/5, which is equivalent to 60%. And 4/5, which is equivalent to 80%. And then I have 5 out of 5, which equals to 1 whole, which is equivalent to 100%. So now I'm trying to figure out what's my whole. So this is where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to see if you guys can figure out your whole. So what we're going to do is, in small group, we're going to work together to figure out what is my whole in this problem. I'll see you guys in small groups.